Hello from WhatX. The internet brings everything together, and we believe it makes your energy management more effective, more productive, successful. So, why not having your preferred website or Trello boards, portals, third party dashboard, videos, articles, tips, and so forth directly onto the WhatX platform? Now you can. Today, we are so thrilled to release a totally new functionality called Embedded Pages, which you can configure it through the admin sections on the right menu. The Embedded Pages tool allows you to display web pages, online applications, cloud portals, files that are outside the Vortex platform directly onto your dashboard. First, you create a new tab in the menu, fill in the fields in the chosen preferred title for the new Embedded Pages tab, and once you click Save, it will appear on the dashboard main menu beside the Admin or Data tab for you and for your customers. To create an embedded pages with the content you want to display, you need a full URL, possibly a token, and a website name. Click on New Embedded Page, put the title for the page, and insert the link of the page you want to be displayed in the field's URL. The field token can be used in case you want to embed an application which requires an authentication for calls coming from the dashboard. In other cases, just leave it blank. You can now select users of your platform who will see the page, or you can show to all of your users. And note that all of your admin users will be able to see and edit embedded pages through the admin panel. And once you selected your preferred options, then click Save, and the new embedded pages will be enabled in the main dashboard and accessed through the drop-down menu. To delete the tab, you just need to remove it from the field Embedded Pages tab in the admin sections. The list of pages will be then restored if you provide a new name to your embedded page tab. So you can use this tool to add energy efficiency tips for your customers, add another portal related to your services, electricity price overview, websites, Wikipedia articles, tutorial videos, contract, information about your services, any additional content which brings more value for your customers. So you don't need it to send links or to attach files via emails, messengers anymore. You can just enable the content via inside the platform, and changes are disabled whenever you want. So start using the new Embedded Pages tool today to engage more with your customers and have a great energy services. Thanks for watching.